All right. Just a quick video, getting kind of the same questions throughout the day today. Hopefully this video can kind of clarify a few things. Again, not a big deal. I'm learning, you guys are learning. But a few things that I'm kind of noticing is that you guys are, I guess, downloading your notes, copying on your notes, and then sending them back to me. Think back in class. Was there ever one time that I took back your notes? All right, the notes are for you, they're not for me. The video that goes with it should show you how to do the notes. You could do a couple examples on your own. That's just for you to practice, but do not send the notes back to me. Now the way that I have this laid out every week, this is how it's going to be laid out. On Monday you'll see the notes in the file tab, which is on your post page at the top. You click file and you'll see the Word document in the files tab. There will be a video that goes along with it to help you understand the notes. If you still don't understand, please let me know. Mr. Zach didn't understand earlier. Gave him my number, just had him call me. We talked it through. Hopefully he's good by now. So that'll be Monday. All right, you'll get the notes, watch the video, make sure you understand the notes, do the practice examples, and you're done. On Tuesday you will receive an assignment for that day. So for Tuesday it'll be an assignment for the notes that you covered the day before. Think back in class again. Every day you come in, you grab your notes off the table, you go sit down, we do the notes. Once we're completely done with the notes, I hand you a worksheet. You either finished it in class, or whatever you didn't finish, you finished it for homework and you turned it in the next day. Okay, well, it's the same concept here, except that I'm not giving them to you on the same day. You're going to get the notes on Monday, the worksheet on Tuesday. Wednesday, you'll get another set of notes. Thursday, you'll get the worksheet for those Wednesday notes. And then Friday, you'll have a quiz. Okay, so we'll go back. Monday, you do your notes and the video. Tuesday, you'll be sent the worksheet that goes with those notes from Monday. Wednesday, you'll do the notes and video again for the next subject. Thursday, worksheet. And then Friday, the quiz. The worksheets on Tuesday and Thursday are 30% of your overall grade for this week. So the Tuesday worksheet is 15, the Thursday worksheet is 15, and then the quiz on Friday is 70 for an overall total score of 100 at the end of that week. Okay, so some of you, I think in first period, you're trying to submit me papers and things like that nature. There's nothing to submit me right now. All right, you won't do anything as far as turning back into me until tomorrow. Also, the other thing that's got to be due today or in the next couple of days is you got to read the syllabus. All right, the virtual syllabus. Again, that can be found in the files tab. All right. In fact, I believe it's called. I'm looking at my other computer here, so bear with me. Where's that? First period, files. And it's not just in first period, it's all the periods. I'm just using their classroom. All right, so it's called Virtual Geometry Syllabus. Just make sure you take a minute to read that. Okay, it's got some pertinent information. For any of you out there that are not on my Remind app, it's got my Remind information on there. That's key. Please utilize that. I've already had several students utilize that today. But make sure you read that. All right. Once you've read that syllabus, all right, then you're going to go back to the posts. Okay, and then you'll find, if you just kind of scroll up towards the top, you'll see what an assignment called VEHS Student Remote Learning Expectations. Okay, you just click on that. It's one question, basically stating, did you read it or not? You hit yes, you hit yes, and then you submit it, and you're done. Okay. For instance, I'm looking at first period. Right now I have see. Out of 25 students, I've got 16 that have already submitted that assignment, which was the one question for the stating that you read the syllabus. Other than that, I think that's everything. Again, don't overthink this, please. All right, I'm not here to try to make things even harder for you. All right, I've got a granddaughter. I'm trying to get her through her classes. I'm trying to figure out these classes. So please don't overthink nothing. This is not difficult at all. And without a doubt, if you have any questions, just ask. You got to ask. All right. Other than that, have a good afternoon. And if you have any questions, reach out.